Good news for the Khosi Nation bafethu. Good news for the Khosi Nation bafethu. Sithanda nje ukuthi welcome bafethu to Ighodaro. Yo bafethu, we've been waiting for this signing bafethu. So basekusele nje izinto ezincane ukuthi ifinalize bafethu. I-Chiefs officially bafethu. Isimemezeli officially Ighodaro bafethu. He's now a Kaizer Chiefs player. He signed a 2-year deal with an option bafethu. Yo finally bafethu. We've been waiting for this signing bafethu ka Ighodaro bafethu. Yo, finally bafethu. But phela usually akujwayelekile bafethu ukuthi i-player le-Sundowns lisuke i-Sundowns le kwi-Kaizer akujwayelekile unless i-Kaizer mayisi isikhathelele lelo player isilidelile bese iyalahla kame Chiefs yalicosha, but usually akujwayelekile ukuthi i-player lethi lisasayine ne-Sundowns lisuke liya kwi-Kaizer. But finally bafethu siyabonga, sithanda nje ukuthi bafethu welcome bafethu to Ighodaro. Let's just hope bafethu ukuthi uyasisiza ngalenkinga esinayo yama-goal yabo. But bafethu akusizo kuphela indaba enginiphathele zona lezo bafethu. Also about bafethu ngiyamkhumbula uLuke Batman bafethu, naye bekusenenkinga ngoLuke Batman, but ke isinqumo nakuye bafethu sesibuyile. uLuke Batman bafethu now is a free agent. Sibuyile isinqumo sathi free agent njengoba kwakwenzakalile bafethu naku Arsenal Velebai. Kwakwenzakalile naku-Arsenal Velebai naku-Luke Batman futhi kubuye isinqumo esifanayo bafethu, naye he's a free agent manje. So sesingalindela anytime ukuthi ngam-announce anytime bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs. So this is good news bafethu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But other than that bafethu, I'm a little bit worried bafethu ngendaba ye-striker. I'm a little bit worried ngendaba ye-striker bafethu. I feel seziningi kakhulu. I feel like khona i-striker esizohamba bafethu. Noma ngingasi striker, but I feel like i-case isazodedela futhi abadlali. I know ukuthi kwathiwa kusangenzeka ozwane beye kwi-loan benomashiyane, but I feel nalapha kwi-striking department, because right now bafethu ngendlela okubukeka ngayo we have like 7 strikers njengamanje. I think sine-strikers eziwu-7. Mangiba le-strikers eziwu-7 sinoWandile Duba, yes, sibuye sibe noNaledi Hlongwane, yabo, sibuye sibe noDuprez, yabo, sibuye sibe no Morris, yabo, sibuye sibe no Flavio Silva, yabo. Manje sekusayine u-Ighodaro, yabo. So after Ighodaro mase bem-announcile noLuke Batman kuzobe kowe-7 strikers bafethu. Noma ngakuthiwa bafethu sithi squad depth, hayi 7 isiningi kakhulu bafethu. 7 strikers seziningi kakhulu bafethu, seziningi kakhulu. But I don't know ukuthi i-case izokwenza njani lapha. I think khona ezomdedela noma ezobadedela. I don't know bafethu, angazi, because abaningi, yes, I don't know. I know ukuthi they don't like uMorris. They said uMorris no, they don't like uMorris, but I don't know ukuthi wasayina i-deal ethini ne-Kaizer Chiefs uMorris bafethu, because if kwaba o-3 deal I don't see hamba, because i-Kaizer mawukuthi uyahamba kufana imkhokhela imali, and I don't see Kaizer ikhipha imali njengamanje ithi idedela uMorris. I don't know, but kungenzeka noma yini bafethu, I don't know, but nje I'm just a little bit worried yabo ngendaba ye-strikers eziwu-7 seziningi kakhulu i-strikers eziwu-7. But let's wait and see bafethu ukuthi i-Kaizer yenze njani in that case, because 7 is too much bafethu. But other than that bafethu, ilezo nje bafethu indaba ejabulisayo bafethu. Like kumele sibo this season bafethu isayinile i-Kaizer. I know abaningi bakhale ngokuthi isayine abantu esingabazi from le ku-Europe naku, but isayinile bafethu, isayinile bafethu. If you know i-talent lika-Luke Batman bafethu, le ntwana bafethu, le ntwana iyashisa kakhulu, le ntwana. I hope niyakhumbula abaningi le ntwana ikorela ukhune mfethu, one of our legend with-Kaizer Chiefs, iyakorela ukhune le ntwana, amshaya ngelinye igoli le ntwana bafethu. Ine-talent kakhulu le ntwana. I know ukuthi abaningi abayazi, ngabezwa abanye ama-comment yabo bengibuza ukuthi who's Luke Batman, because abaningi abamazi because bedlala e-Cape Town Spurs, bebengayibuki kakhulu i-Cape Town Spurs. But nje bafethu, hayi laphana sithola umdlali. I promise you bafethu, ngizolibona la talent le ntwana, sithola umdlali laphana bafethu, sithola umdlali lapha ku-Luke Batman bafethu. I promise you that. But nje let's just hope bafethu isisolvekile inkinga ye-Kaizer nama-goal bafethu. Let's just wait man, kulunga indaba yo-silver ye-paperwork and whatsoever bafethu. Sibuye squad siphelele bafethu, squad sethu. Other than that bafethu, I'm so happy. I'm happy bafethu about lama signings. I'm happy, izamile kakhulu bafethu i-Kaizer. Cela bafethu subscribe laphana zami bafethu, nami uthi news bafethu i-channel. Ngizobuya futhi nginiphathele ezinye bafethu. Other than that bafethu, iloko nje kwanamhlanje. Ikhosi alipheli moya bafethu.